The Colorize function is a quick and easy way to add colour to individual parts or sub-assemblies, so to differentiate between them. Select the Colorize button and you can see the system will go through and colorize any individual parts or sub-assemblies. Okay, pressing it will cycle through. Okay. This will use the default Inventor colour scheme. The type of colour scheme it uses can be configured, so within the options under assembly you can see here there is a colorizer scheme to pick. I'll change it to metallic, click OK, press colorize, and you can see here it's now using the colorize set. Change it again, I'll change it to pastel, and once again it's now using the pastel set.